Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are back at a brand new destination right now after almost what feels like an eternity. I mean, last 3-4 months hasn't been kind to any of us. Because of the second wave of COVID, it left us no choice but to be homebound. But now, with things easing up and taking all the due precautions necessary, we have finally driven down to Pondicherry. And hence, this time, we have booked an Airbnb right by the beach. This is because we wanted to get the feel of being close to the nature, as well as we wanted to continue working from home on the weekdays. So this is basically going to be an extended stay for us. And hence, let me begin by showing you our new home for the next few days.
यार इसने कॉफ़ी एंड ऑल भी रखी है, फिल्टर कॉफ़ी का मशीन है, गुड स्टफ, सब कुछ है, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग दैट वी नीड।
AC.
So a lot of friends and family had asked us what is it that we carry as part of our kit from a kitchen essentials perspective when we go on these extended travels or work from home stays that we do from different cities in India. So we thought, why not bring to you a quick video and show you what our kit looks like. So what we do first is we check with the owner of the place and really understand what is available at their place. After that, we take a stock of what apart from that will we need and accordingly carry that with us. This time our owner told us that there is a kettle available, there is a toaster available, and that made us realize our breakfast is going to be sorted. We're not going to have to worry about that. We also checked with him what are the different pots, different pans available, just to get an idea whether we will be able to do basic level cooking or not. Because if that wasn't available, then we would have carried that along with us from Bangalore. So let me show you the masalas. Let me begin with that first. So we've carried namak, we've carried the other basic masalas that we need, like red chili, there's haldi, there's garam masala, everything that you would need to cook up a quick meal. We've also carried some sugar. Apart from this, what we've carried as well is some besan as well as some rava. The reason for this is that with these two ingredients it could be made into a quick breakfast or even like a nice yummy dinner, quick and nice yummy dinner. Now we weren't sure with the pandemic restaurants deliver karenge nahi karenge, so we had to rely on what we've carried from home for the first couple of days for all 3 meals. We've also carried vermicelli, and the reason why we've carried all these things is because masalas and all are not available in small packets. They're not easy to find. So we thought, why not carry them in these small, easy to carry bottles or packets that are already open at home and just carry them out so that we could use them here. So we are leaving now. We are going to the supermarket because we need to get some staples, bread, egg, butter, milk, and also vegetables for the next week. We are in a rush because we don't know what the timings of the supermarket are going to be like. They may be shutting sooner. Also, we are really very tired, because we had started from Bangalore really early in the morning. So we want to get done with this and come back soon and just call it a day. We'll be leaving you with this thought, and I hope this video was really helpful. Watch the space for more because there's tons of content from Pondicherry coming your way. Keep showing us your love, your support, and thank you so much for watching.